Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to pin location on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to pin location on Google Maps, first you'll be required to open the Google Map application on your phone. And over here guys, after opening your Google Maps, go to the location which you want to pin on your Google Map. For example, I'll be pinning a location over here. And in order to pin a location, simply tap and hold on the location which you want to pin, and you can see guys a drop pin option is available for us over here with the red sign. And let's do that again. And by pinning the location like this guys, you will only be share it won't be available next time you open your Google Maps. You can see the bunch of options available for us on this interface. When after we have pinned the location, this kind of menu appears where we'll be able to share it, save it, start a direction to it, and there are more options. But if you want the pin to be available on your phone on the next time you open your Google Maps, tap and hold on that pin again, and remember to save that pin. So you can see the moment you tap and hold on that pin or on the location, these options appear at the bottom of the screen, and there is the save button. Tap on save guys, and you will be able to save that pin to any category of your places you like. And after tapping on the tick mark of the category on which you want to save the location, tap on the done button at the top right corner of the screen, and you can see guys the pin has been dropped over here. And with that being said guys, that pin will be available for us even if we go back or do something on the maps. And you can also view this pin on the section U. You can see at the bottom of the screen there is the U section. Tap on U, and over here where it says the want to go, we have saved it to want to go. That place is over here if we want to ever revisit it on the Google Maps. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to pin a location on Google Map. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.